From old rust to a brand new ride. Perfect.
This is where the dream begins. Let's build the ultimate machine.
Pour it hot! We need the strongest alloy for this engine.
Solid metal, forged for maximum power and durability.
Precision is everything. Every single gear must be perfect.
The skeleton of the beast is ready. Strong, light, and unbreakable.
Perfect curves, designed to cut right through the wind.
Adding the signature color. This beauty is definitely going to turn heads.
Baking the finish to a perfect mirror shine.
Maximum grip for the road. These wheels are built for pure speed.
Smooth ride guaranteed, no matter how tough the road gets.
The heart is in. The beast is finally coming together.
All systems online. Let there be light. Comfort meets style.
Quality check complete. She is absolutely flawless.
Listen to that roar. Time to hit the road.